In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove bounced emails from your Mailchimp account. This is essential for maintaining a clean and effective email list, ensuring your campaigns reach the intended audience. We'll walk you through the entire process step by step, making it easy to follow along and implement. To begin, open up your browser and navigate to Mailchimp's website. Once there, you'll want to log into your account using your credentials, which will give you access to your dashboard. Once you've logged in, direct your attention to the left-hand sidebar. Here you'll find an option labelled Audience. Go ahead and click on this. It's your gateway to managing all the contacts and lists within your Mailchimp account. If you happen to have more than one audience on your account, you'll need to select the specific audience you want to manage. This is a crucial step because each audience functions independently, meaning you'll be addressing bounced emails within this specific group. Once you've selected your audience, the next step is to click on All Contacts. This screen will show you every individual email address that currently exists in your list within this audience. Now you need to filter these contacts to show only the bounced emails. To do this, click on Create New Segment. It's this segmentation feature that lets us narrow down the list based on certain criteria. For the filters, set email subscription status to Is, and then select Bounced. Alternatively, you can also choose Cleaned, which also means the email has bounced. This process effectively isolates the emails that have caused issues and require removal. To ensure the filter's efficacy, click on Preview Segment. This action allows you to view the results and ensure the segment displays only the bounced or cleaned emails. With the filtered list in view, it's time to select all the contacts you wish to remove. Do this by clicking the checkbox next to each contact's name. If you have multiple bounced emails, you might want to utilize features like Select All to streamline the process. After selecting the necessary contacts, it's time to take action. Look for the Actions menu, often represented by 3 dots, and click on it. Choose the option to delete the selected contacts. Remember, this action is irreversible, but it's essential for keeping your list healthy. Finally, a confirmation step will appear. Confirm the deletion to remove the bounced emails permanently from your list. This will ensure future campaigns aren't wasted on contacts that won't reach their intended destination. As a note, it's important to understand the difference between hard and soft bounces. Hard bounces are permanent issues like invalid addresses and should always be removed. Soft bounces, on the other hand, are temporary, caused by issues such as a full inbox or down server. Mailchimp may attempt to resend emails to these addresses before upgrading them to hard bounces. Keeping an eye on these distinctions helps you manage your email list more effectively. And there you have it. Now you know how to efficiently clean your Mailchimp audience of bounced emails. Stay tuned for more tutorials that keep your email marketing running smoothly.